If you are encountering the chat message limit reached error on TikTok, this typically happens due to restrictions on the number of messages you can send within a specific time frame or also due to the space. So, firstly, wait for the limit to reset. TikTok imposes temporary messages limit to prevent spam. These limits often reset after 24 hours. Wait a day and try sending messages again. If this also does not work, then simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Then tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three dashboard in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and look for the free up space option available there and simply tap on it. Now here you can see the cache and downloaded option available. Simply clear all the cache inside your TikTok by tapping on the clear option right next to it. You can also remove the download option available there, but it will remove all the downloaded filters, music, videos. So make sure you know all about this before clearing it. Now, if this also does not work, then simply go back to the settings again. And inside settings, scroll down and look for the reports a problem option available there and tap on it. Then scroll till the bottom and there you will get to see chat with us option available. This is a TikTok support. Select the category related to the messages and explain your issues. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.